Hello students, I'm teacher Anuja from the Wave Private School. In previous video, we saw the topic mole concept part 1. Now we are going to see part 2. This topic is for grade 9. You will find this topic on page number 158 from Cambridge IGCSE Chemistry course book. In previous video, we saw the concept of mole and we did one numerical that was molar volume. We saw how to calculate the molar volume of gas. It was in dm cube and cn cube. Okay, now in this video part 2, we are going to see how to calculate moles, calculating mass, then empirical formula and last molecular formula. So in part 2 we are going to see these four objectives. Let us proceed with our next numerical. Before I start, I want you all to open your notebooks and keep calculators along with you. Now we are going to see calculating moles. How to calculate the number of moles. So what is the equation to calculate moles? That is number of mole equals to mass, that is in gram, divided by molar mass. It is represented as mR. mR means it can be molar mass or atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass is also called as molar mass. Got it? So see, there is one more equation, that is amount in moles equal to mass of substance in grams. That means mass of substance in grams divided by molar mass. Okay, these both equations are allowed, they are same. Okay, now see student, how you will calculate the molar mass or atomic mass. Like see, atomic mass means, for example, now see molar mass, that is atomic mass. For example, we will take for NaOH. How you will calculate for NaOH? So what is atomic number for Na? What is Na? That is sodium. So atomic number of sodium is 23. And what is atomic number for oxygen? That is 16. What is atomic number for hydrogen? That is 1. Now see calculation, 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is sodium plus oxygen plus hydrogen, that equals to 40. So what will be your molar or atomic mass of NaOH? That is 40. Got it? Similarly, what is molar mass or atomic mass of this CaCO3? Okay, so see, it is, what is of calcium? Calcium is 40. Okay, plus what is of carbon? That is 12. What is of oxygen? That is 16 times 3, because there are 3 atoms of oxygen. So see, 40 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. So it will be 40 plus 12 plus 48, that is 100. So got it from where this molar mass came? So these values will be given. You just have to calculate the molar mass by addition and by multiplication. If there is 3 times or 2 times present. Okay, so before I start, I want you all to tell me the molecular name for the substances. We have done this in previous chapter. What is called as NaOH? What is NaOH named as? Come on, tell me. NaOH is, so NaOH is sodium Hydroxide. Very good. What is CaCO3? Ca is calcium, CO3 is carbonate. So it is calcium carbonate. Let's see. Yes, very good. What is H2SO4? See, H2SO4, SO4, sulfate. So which acid it is? It is sulfuric acid. Very good. What is H2O? That is water. Now come on, tell me what is this last substance? CuSO4 and 5H2O. What is Cu? Cu is copper and SO4 sulfate. So which substance it is? It is copper sulfate. Got it? Very good. Now let us proceed with the numerical. Now see student, this is the substance and this is the mass of substance. Okay, see, mass of NaOH is 80 gram, calcium carbon is 25 gram. Okay, and so on. Now see, molecular mass, you have calculated this by this formula. I gave you one example, NaOH and CaCO3. So similarly you will calculate for H2SO4, H2O and CuSO4, 5H2O. Okay, now see, mass, let us check for first numerical. Mass is 80 gram and molar mass is 40. Apply in this equation. Now see, mass is 80. 80 divided by what is the molar mass? That is 40. So what will be your answer? Come on, calculate it and tell me. 80 divided by 40. You got the answer? That is 2 moles. Now see, we are calculating moles. Got it? Very good. Now come on, fast do it for second one. 25 divided by 100. What will be the answer? Yes, it is 0.25. Very good. For next, 4.9 divided by 98. What will be the answer? It will be 0.05 moles. Children, don't forget to write moles. Mole is the unit. Okay. Now do for water. 108 divided by 18. What will be your answer? Come on, do fast. 108 divided by 18, 6 moles. Yes, very good. Now last, 75 divided by 250. What will be the answer? Yes, 0.3 mole. So clear with this how to calculate the mole? The equation is mass divided by molar mass. Let us proceed to next numerical. Now we are going to calculate mass. In previous numerical we were calculating moles. Now we are going to see how to calculate mass of substance in grams. Okay, now see the equation, it is same like before we were calculating mole. So it was mass of substance in gram divided by molar mass. So when we have to calculate mass in gram, we have to write the equation will be mass of substance in gram is equal to moles into molar mass. Okay, it is the same CH2O and K2CO3. Got it? Now let us check the name. So what is H2O? H2O is water. What is NaCl? NaCl is sodium chloride. What is K2CO3? That is potassium carbonate. What is NH4 2 times SO4? That is ammonium sulfate. And what is this last substance called as MgSO4 7 times H2O? That is magnesium sulfate. Very good. Now let us see the calculation. Now see, amount that is given in moles and this is molar mass. Apply in this equation. What will be the answer? That is 0.5 into 18. What will be the answer? Come on, tell me. 0.5 into 18. Yes, 9 grams. See, 0.5 times 18. Your answer will be 9 grams. You are calculating mass. Okay. So I will calculate for NaCl, that is 3 moles into 58.5. What will be the answer? Yes, very good. 175.5 gram. Next, do it fast. 0.2 into 138. Yes, very good. That is 27.6 gram. Next, 2.5 times 132 for ammonium sulfate. Yes, very good. What will be for the last magnesium sulfate? That is 0.25 into 246. That is 61.5. Got it? Let us proceed for next numerical. So our next numerical is to calculate empirical formula. So what is empirical formula? It gives the simplest whole number ratio of atom of each element in the compound. So let us see the example. A compound that contains 10 gram of hydrogen and 80 grams of oxygen has empirical formula of H2O. This can be shown by the following calculation. So see student, now what they have given you mass of hydrogen, that is in grams, 10 gram, and mass of oxygen, that is 80 grams. Okay, so what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the amount of hydrogen and oxygen. So which formula you will use? The amount. Okay, yes. So we are going to use amount of hydrogen and amount of oxygen. Now see, what will be amount of hydrogen? Yes, it is mass in gram divided by molar mass, that is 10 divided by 1. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? That is 1. So it will be 10 divided by 1, that is 10 moles. Similarly for oxygen, what will be amount of oxygen atom? That is mass in gram. What is the mass? That is 80 grams divided by 16. What is molar mass or atomic mass of oxygen? That is 16. So you got it. How many moles of hydrogen? That is 10 moles. And how many moles of oxygen? That is 5 moles. Got it? So the ratio of moles of hydrogen atom to moles of oxygen. What will be the ratio, student? Now see, for hydrogen it is 10 and for oxygen it is 5. So what will be the ratio? It will be 10 is to 5. Got it? See, for 10 and 5. So what will be the ratio? It is 2 by 1. So what will be your empirical formula? See, that is H2O, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. Got it? How we calculate? See, since the equal number of mole of atom contain the same number of atom, the ratio of hydrogen atom to oxygen atom is 2:1. Hence, the empirical formula is H2O. That is 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. See, H2O. Got it? How we calculate the empirical formula? So, this is your end of the chapter. Thank you.